Upnlive show. Give thanks to everybody that's logging in this week. We bring to you the biggest and the baddest weekly show live here on the UK airwaves live, and we're there. And in the hot seat this evening, you see over there, so the man at the orange shirt like him, I want labor up what PNP.
So long man naga Jamaica voting forgot in party colours.
People, look at your screens. Look at your screens, good. A dragon here is not an impersonator. Dragon is actually here. Yeah, look good. Can I beat him hard for the comment section?
And a dragon, we call it next reptile.
Them can't beat.
No, they can't be friends, so no.
We just have to do the right thing. Ladies, remember, 14 again, have to be careful.
Exactly. See
below
that?
Below the you look at consent, and just let me go on the road now. You don't know the thing go.
Yeah, gone. Further on in the news. So good evening once again if you're on Facebook. Good evening to you. Good evening to you if you're on the website www.tgmradio.com UK. Make sure you log in each and every week. On Fridays we premiere the interviews here on the YouTube channel. It's called Upnlive Show. So make sure you go over there, go subscribe, like, and share the video. Them seen. We got a few conversations to have this evening, but I need to remind you we're going to be having some special guests this evening. Scatterbird is going to be here for the conversation. Also, Diane, the artist, is going to be here. So stick and stay for that. Seen? Breads, all the weekend stay.
Weekend was festive, man. I don't know the weekend be a party going and enjoyment and dressing up and ear cutting and all them things there, you see me?
It sounds like you actual word pan and with the ear cuts. Talk to me about Dragon yesterday. Cause you know, me just a see it
bro,
a while ago.
So I was at the venue and I saw someone say, Breads, what's up? I would have No, but it's serious, cause me see him post a video. But you know, when I see video, I think it's like you know when them story thing when you want go back in the no man, like I want him to go back and throw back at me. Cause I know him looking like that, you know. But me I think says an old video I post. I'm friend when I see in touch a studio, I say, no man, good God man. And the draw back off his glass. And they were saying him have him pull over the water like
Father God, me I beg it a year and I pray in a year. Low bad mind
so,
out of my
life. The funny thing, Dragon beat him body all last year.
Low bad mind out of my company.
And for sure the year.
Because now you see two on the way I cuss.
Yeah.
You can't grow in a year. Don't bad mind me, brother.
No, we can't grow a year. But you just not grow certain places.
You can't grow a year. This time I look for a bed, man.
Yeah, watch it.
Jesus Christ. Mr. On the low Dragon, Rick. You see, that's right now you couldn't go lax, you'd have to lax the side and lift it up.
Yeah, Dragon.
Yeah. No, all right,
Dragon.
Hold on.
We'll beat the brother.
No.
Watch it beating and about that with the white business at the start of the year in a break.
No, but the question is, Dragon, what was the reason? Because your people are asked.
Well, ladies, how me look? Me look younger, though. Me look fresher. Remember me and Birds, I'm going to see them school together, you know.
And Bread's losing here already, you know.
Remember we got to see him school, you know.
No, me a old man.
Me can't tell about. No, you look old.
Me a old man.
We got to put it on.
Yeah.
You see what I go on. See, you see, little trim. It's a what do you call it?
Dragon, you know why we
have a revamp.
Dragon, you know why we have to mention it? Because you are the person who always pick on people, always trouble people a lot.
What mix them over yet?
Mix there a long time.
We talk mix, cause you know.
No, mix there say nothing.
Cause
yeah. Me feel
mix
like
their coat. No.
Mix
Mix the for remand in their coat.
Brother.
Remand him.
From before what I show Mrs. Dragon yesterday, it's like me forget everything when I come to talk about.
For real though.
Because it just distract me and me not expect Dragon Dragon
last year he
and he come out last week's show and come with a big wrap up.
Yeah, terrible and everything. Think I be the man cousin.
Anyway,
judgment yard business.
Let's get back to formalities, all right? It's 24 minutes, 26 minutes, 25 minutes. Man, I see the clock around to the hours of 10. You know, the show is very jam-packed today. Few little issues we need to talk about. Few conversations happening in Jamaica. What we start at Jamaica or over here first?
I'm going to talk England business first.
You go ahead.
No, I don't know. All right, just basically I'm there on the road weekends, you know. Mm-hmm. Straight enjoyment. Maybe last bit of the year, you know, when you come on to the party of the year.
Yeah.
I just go out and go out because yesterday year now, people don't see why I go and lick apple juice in a cup. I'm done with drinking. I start go to church and beer things. You know where it's go.
Exactly.
Try and find one little young lady and married, you know. Live some good life, man. How you say, man?
Of course. So the weekend over here, there's a few parties that keep in England. And what I must commend the people them with is that the quality of the parties are getting a little bit better in terms of the music delivery. I still see some of the usual suspect, and the London Finest is not as fine as they used to be anymore because I don't see the London Finest as much. I mean, I say whole heap of new selectors.
So them not work with them again.
No, I'm saying that
promoters point of view, there's more event that was compact
at the second half of the year. So everybody have to just make room for other people. That's why you don't see them at the same place no more at the same time. So everybody have to do.
Exactly.
So in terms of London finance, cause you know that year like me trim me ear, me can't read people's mind again. What God? Call some name now.
No, it's not even a matter
when
of
you
fuck
say
off.
London finest, you know, you just say it for the fact that you pick the finest DJs you think will be suited for your event.
The regulars, because you can call names. I'm not afraid to call them.
No. That matches. When we say finest, we didn't actually mean a particular set of people. I just certain people put them people there.
Yeah.
But it mean that overall, if it, obviously because the situation couldn't put certain things.
Or should we change it from London finest or to London's regular?
No, that sounds weird. London finest make the event make it look more upbeat.
It sounds more, no, but it sounds more upbeat.
But you can't say regular if you go to the same circuit, because they got different parties, different people say the same thing. Because with them call it London's finest, innit?
Okay.
So going forward this year, we're not going to try to segregate the industry now. We try actually just merge everybody if we just do one. So if a set of people book that day, they are the finest. DJ, people, security, everybody knows.
You know about that, but alright. Basically, when we get record come off, when him say London finest, it come like we call it now. The regular star DJ them were used to manipulate the game for a number of years.
Yeah.
No we call it. No, the business now gatekeeper again. You have a few young DJs and a few young sound who break into the market and do well for themselves.
Yeah.
So basically, it's more space and more room for growth in terms of young DJs. Yes. So like a lot of the year-to-year part them. We understand like they're not using the same old faces every year. They might try incorporate some young DJ in the thing, so, which is good.
Somebody's giving us a definition out here. Somebody said most of the time they put London's finest because DJs will get booked and certain DJs will not turn up. So that's just a definition from universe. Universe?
Yeah, that's one part of it. So when they don't put a name in
I
that aspect,
I don't feel like that's the one of the main reasons. Because we already know certain DJ associate certain set of we call it attention from the authorities. So that is just one way.
That's what I was avoiding from saying.
Getting them on it.
That makes sense.
Some of the time too, because you don't know everybody in them like a faction as well. So if you know say is that definitely that person going and you are them on a friend, you not go. So that kind of alleviate their part there.
It helped the promotion.
Yeah, help the promotion.
So no name, no case. So you turn up, you have it.
Exactly.
I
think we London missed a very lucrative week last week. Because in terms of, that week between Christmas and New Year, you realize that a party could actually keep on every single night. Because there's Tuesday.
It's 3 days lucrative between
Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. That little sweet spot there, so.
And then you have some promoter because the people say too much party keep. Them 3 days they wouldn't miss because you have to meet up the food them and drink up and still one party.
There was all right. Every year over here, like you have Christmas Eve, the Boxing Day, if it fall upon the weekend, the Monday. But because things change and COVID, so everybody just do the first 3 of them. Then them go again for the New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, and
but that's what I'm saying. There was because I have been at venues where the club was full and the club finished 12 o'clock. Well, it was a gathering finished 12 o'clock, and everyone was asking around where is the play, and that happened on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.
But that is good though.
No, bar Thursday because Tipsy kept on Thursday.
Yeah.
But the problem with Tipsy start late.
Yeah, but the week, alright. Officially, the weekend in London start on Thursday. One Tipsy Thursday I keep, I even Girls Wednesday. If it constantly I keep, weekend start from the day. So it build up. When I miss something by weekend, come here and guard the people in party.
I can talk about a few of the show them I keep over the weekend. Like yeah, Rick, you want to start? I can start from West and do a full circle.
Yeah, I went to West Side. I went to Diani's show on West London side. Big up, first and foremost, big up Styler, because Styler has been doing a lot of work, and this is the whole unfair. Well, maybe I shouldn't say it's unfair because maybe he needs to do more to get that level of respect. I don't think he gets enough respect for what he does. Because he does a lot, and he did put on a good show. It was planned properly, and it was a good venue. And I think the artist himself did execute properly. His show was well put together. Obviously, the crowd that came was a slightly younger crowd.
Yeah, because of
But I think that it was a very good try and a very good show for Gal Farm promotion, Bugsy, because of how I saw it. Because I was there and I said, you know what? I'm not show up myself in the front and go try. More experience the show for what it is. And I did get the selectors that played at the show. I don't know the sound, but they were very, very effective for the crowd because it was a young sound, and I try to get the name of the sound, but the youth, them just a juggle, them not say nothing, they not press no sound effect.
That's a play.
Then that's a play, but they were very good. So that was my analysis for West Side. What you did there, Dragon?
You know me they all about. Remember me I travel, you know. So basically there's one standout party.
Yeah.
Over the weekend. This weekend? Yeah, weekend.
Yeah.
Over the weekend I have to big up mixed party, you know, like me try left couple little event and go out one day. I come at a party. You know the venue was it wasn't as big as we expected it to be. But it's a nice size venue. Venue capacity business.
The venue work, cause
and you see me, I have up on stage because I no space in a crowd.
Exactly. So that was a very good look.
So anyway, the music was good, the juggling was good, the energy was good. Can't complain. Good party.
So you get a good money's worth.
Yeah, my one start at Granny's New Year's Eve. We never get to go to the annual show because obviously with their Granny's, and then that was good, like good turnout still. And then obviously mixed party next day. Ticket event only work, everybody forward, get searched, dress up, go in, party, kind of yard, enjoyment. A piece of white drop there, but we don't talk.
What go on? Who get why?
The host.
Who that host?
The host with the person with the party man mix.
Where drink there? Hold on, where drink there? Where drink? I feel like I want a drink for this one. Yeah.
So hold on, man. Listen, me never did the drink. Me never did the party, you know. Big up mix. Mix
Right.
me have other
Mix basically say yeah.
How will I lead? It or Daddy Bless? How will I lead now?
No, the New Year. So
A New Year.
the first one for the year.
I first one for the ears.
Okay,
So
alright.
listen, you cannot give it and you not tell me what I want.
Basically mix say yo, you know what? No man let me up. Any man let me up, me I'm gonna sleep tonight.
That him say?
That him say.
Mix it up on yellow card there, sir.
No man.
Yellow.
No, it's a review. It's a review.
A yellow.
Wait,
man.
This
Nah,
sign,
man,
yeah.
a suspension, brother.
we're waiting for video evidence because the court need to see the exclusive evidence and all of that stuff.
Well, me say that a suspension until further, you know.
Yeah.
Further, till him do we try case, cause
Yeah, till January done.
him can't get no play up on the side there now.
In can't escape.
Yeah,
Exactly.
Watch out now, where him there? Una tag him for me
No
now.
man, mix there.
Me say una tag mix.
Him there, man.
Him there, but me no see him. Una tag mix for me there,
Him
please.
say. And another
Mix, him now. Any man wake me up or sleep with me tonight. So well I know when I tell, I know me that drink a whole heap of alcohol and them something there. So I put on, cause that time I start drink Magnum and put on a little Magnum back and say,
Yeah.
make a little bit of water cause me know me not eat that right. And then me, you know like when, how would they get one big boss stadium back in the days?
Mandela, be the man.
Really man.
I saw me here, why?
No. We're going there. No, we're going there. It's up me here. And everybody goes so like,
That him say?
no, listen, we're going there. Like everybody record here. And as him start talking, I said like every record and stop. Like everybody shock, all the phone them shock. Then Andrew goes so, yo, mix.
As Andrew try to save him. As he speaking up, no. I'm not gonna
well,
say.
them set him up. Them set him up.
No.
No, me say them set up mix.
All right, mix, yeah.
Me say mix, I'm a friend, man. Look, me say I set them set up
listen,
mix.
Can we mix that rush here?
Me say, no, tonight, I'm alright, them set him up.
Yo, mix goes so, yeah. Before me junk, me I got talk. Him talk. Mix forward again. Before me junk, me I got talk.
That him say?
See the third time forward. See, is that suicide him do?
Exactly. And let's move to different matters now. The Jamaica side, obviously. May I try to avoid the obvious, the Brogan situation, the lockdown and the continuous state of Jamaica. But separate and apart from that, I don't really want, because you know what we start about Brogan, you're going to get
Excited, yeah.
Shenseea new song.
You see me live in Jamaica again?
No, that's why.
No, that's ain't cut here, no. Change identity.
Shenseea new song.
Go down there in peace, brother. Because I don't want nobody lock me up.
The Dolly song that Shenseea released. A few things I've noticed where with this, I'm not really excited about the song. I'm excited about the project of like the video and the collaborations with like even the three girl them there. What them name again? Pretty, TC and Rebel. I'm really applauding Ramesh Entertainment for like it's even the lady that was in the video. What's she name again, man? The tall slim one, because she was trending in the social world and in the party them. I like how Ramesh incorporate them into the song, into the music
good
video.
Marketing.
Yeah, because you don't understand that these things that do for these people. Because remember, most of these people don't have a 9 to 5, you know? And enough of these people live by these memes and these trending things.
Me interject this one.
Yeah, now I'm going to finish what I said. But why I like what I know him, I use them as well, but also he's helping
From them I get paid.
Exactly. And when you have a video with it, remember Shenseea right now trending, you know? So anything she do, people are going to take in.
Well, I make you trend now. The little song from what year?
Well, she got half a million.
Yeah, because
let me share a little vibe now. See? I'm more to take this into consideration, right?
Yeah.
Remember she likes her blips.
Yeah.
And she after the foreign market scene.
Yeah.
The whole crossover business scene.
Yeah.
And we see this happen over the years. We see a lot of people go Miami and go America. And all over Georgia, everywhere, New York. And when them try after the whole American market, they change over and them start all sting be a fuckery and start rap them sound like say yo them never come to Jamaica one day in them life. And if you realize it, me ask you because remember you know numbers don't lie and big song don't lie. Shenseea have a song last year. Him have a good song the year before.
Alright. This is it.
Hold on, Rick.
But
you
you mean?
Question.
She not drop one big old song. When name? The reggae song, the man. Run. Remember, she drop a few songs last year where didn't go nowhere. She get some big collab with some big artists.
What do you mean? Go nowhere in our diaspora?
That's what I'm going to explain.
Listen.
Our diaspora, no.
Hold on.
You
the song them
so
because me look upon them. The song them what she da doing at Jamaica, they da get better numbers than most of these songs. And these songs ain't gonna last. They ain't gonna have any longevity or they not a substance to them. Because if you know music, if you like music, you listen to some song good, you say, but hold on there. If you are trying to cross over your culture into a next culture, you don't go over there because if you got just remember this. Hip hop always flirt with Jamaican culture because it's something with them like and they embrace. But she go over there and she flip the script. She don't go over there with her Jamaican culture. She go over there. Messuya say America Shenseea band. And Ramesh Entertainment now. Ramesh has a smart youth. She's supposed to guide her, but me know say you try to make sure you work with Russian and Khalid and you have couple things in the pipeline and want to come up. But you see, as soon as you start those that authentic Jamaica, Nisota you, that's when your brand start watering because you know. If they want a pretty girl to come rap, then a job for Cardi B or Nicki Minaj or one of them girls.
Yeah, but to be honest, if you're going over there, you can't go with me can't come to England and contact Patois. And let me finish. Me can't come to England and bring the same mentality I have in Jamaica. So in order for Shenseea to break market into America, she have to actually change her sounding slightly. I understand that they came to her for the authentic Jamaican side, but there's no way Shabba had to kind of change how he delivered the music.
What do you think the market like about Shenseea?
All right.
Obviously, they like her looks.
Hold on. Let me do it from a promoter.
They like her talent, and because she can bring that Jamaican flair, something to spice up for them pot, right? You see, anytime you can't take the country pepper put in your pot, a sweet pepper you get, and I say me don't can get sweet pepper you already.
So
already soup now go nice.
Be more clear. What you say?
Basically, Shenseea go over there and try after when Nicki Minaj and Cardi B is doing and what Rihanna has been doing over the years. Which, in at the time when Shenseea got there, she should have stick to her Jamaican roots. Try to stick to your like authentic thing. And because you know a modern time.
So what should change?
Shenseea sang them. If I realize Shenseea not talk in our dialect in a most of her song them. She even slowed down and talk proper English grammar.
Because she want them to understand what she's saying.
I don't want if you understand. Watch here now. We live in our 21st century.
Yeah.
Even the song we say, you want a bamba, you want to really with the big boy. We don't understand what we say, but we know what I mean, right? Because now people start digest music different.
All right.
People start listening to a song, and if you don't understand, guess what you do? You go on YouTube and like say you type in a song with lyrics, and you take your time and you read it. Anyway, in our world, they put it in your language and translate it for you.
Let's clear so. Let's get 1 second, yeah. All right. Name me the song that you don't like that Shenseea did and you think that he was
none
rubbish.
None of them.
Just give me one song that you think that she did was rubbish.
You want the biggest one, The Run?
The Run. All right, let's start
with The Run. I can run off a track, brother.
I'm going to go on Spotify, right? Spotify. YouTube, and I'm not use YouTube. I use something where I get money off of. But let's use something where...
What, YouTube? What look for run?
No, I'm trying to find...
Like
I'm comparing the numbers because they said numbers don't lie.
6.9 mil for that song. Hold on.
Okay, hold on.
The promotion where that song get.
Yeah. No. Let's
look for some skeng.
No, hold on, big man. Because we're trying to... Because you're saying that it doesn't make any sense.
Yeah.
So you say Run got 6.9 million birds, right? Mm-hmm. Give me a song that you say that has weight for the culture and is doing what needs to be done and needs to sound how dancehall. No, but you're just telling me that it's rubbish.
Hold on, it's rubbish?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, whole pass song will come out in that.
No, give me one. I need one. I need a whole heap. Give me one song where you say.
Hold on.
Bad.
Me look where woman them sing. Don't put on the spot like that. Me
look
for something and tell you.
No, tell me something off your head because you say Shenseea song they're rubbish.
For instance,
because
right?
It's doing what it's meant to be doing.
That is rubbish. For instance, the spy, not because Shaggy and Sean Palipani, they go down there, right?
Yeah.
Where that's a hardcore Jamaican song. It done better than that song, right? Way better.
I don't know because I need to check it.
Check it now, no? Like we check that one day, you know, check it too.
Alright, what Spice getting out? Let me have that discussion.
Remember, me no in a Spice from what day.
What?
Me no in a from what day.
What making in a Spice?
Me just show you.
We in a.
I'm just show you a perfect example. Even perfect example. The Diani remix with the Diani and Jada Kingdom. That was just such a good song. Numbers not tell lie, no dog.
Talk to both people.
Numbers not tell lie, and we are talking about what people is consuming because I'm in this space. Things when me hear people listening to them car when they're going to them house and them like sitting there.
Yeah, but what
numbers don't lie. You never find that one there.
No, I can't sign in anything else. I can't sign in.
Where is that well? If I understand, look upon different people looking into the music. Where Shenseea sing. Yeah, she had tried to do something different. So by doing something different, the numbers originally not gonna reflect our song. Remember, now, if you keep on do this another lane and find a song, everything will pick up. Look, you say Rihanna and Nicki Minaj. They never had a genre before them start with them. Rihanna just go out America, do something American, and she keep going. She was doing dancehall, so if it transition from something people love it with, if it got something different, it kind of harder than it just start from the blank scale.
Exactly.
What I'm trying to say before we jump from the whole point, I try to say, nothing wrong with change and transition over there, but bring the Jamaicanness over there because if I'm an executive producer of one of those corporations, a Sony, a Universal, one of those corporations, and me bring Shenseea or more and do one of them with an English artist, what would be the reason? Or if an Afrobeats artist want to do a collab with a Jamaican, them want the whole culture, the whole flair. Something where in the Jamaican thing. Where Shenseea go over there, when me say why she's flop, because she go and try the whole foreign thing. Remember, couple people do exactly what Shenseea do. They never gonna remember. Remember ASO, remember the artist there? The rapper there? Remember when Movada, when Movada just go foreign, go live scene. Yeah. Remember Movada get big collab with them and guess what Movada go over there and to try rap too.
No, but that wasn't Acewood's story. Acewood got flat because he got
it's not Acewood I'm talking about get flap. It's not but Acewood get flap. When Movada was getting the collab with Acewood was the man in hip hop because Acewood had have a big song them.
Okay, so hold on.
And because Movada tried the same thing, him go there and try the rapping thing, and couple of them do it trick.
Movada never.
What?
No.
Movada Acewood song.
No.
I rap Movada rapping at that.
No, I say so because this is the problem is we as Jamaican dancers do not like when our culture try do a little change to what them do for get further. Because them say, try to say a flap. Enough. Alright, watch it. Cartel and Eminem, example. Cartel don't do Eminem song and do.
What Cartel do? Him rap? Him not
yes,
DJ?
He did in the song.
Eminem, you are the boss.
Yeah.
But
no one said that. Rap. Cartel DJ in the song. Right through. You can't. Me know they said the word for
it. Listen, we got time. Listen.
But the way him do it, it wasn't his type of lane, but him do it.
No. Cartel was doing this from the get-go, birds. Like, sticking alien, I vendetta. You say vendetta, stay over vendetta.
Give us a second.
Vendetta, you're saying, birds. Nobody with the Gaza argument.
Hold on, Dragon, give us a second. All right. So, for the people on Instagram, I would like to get you in the conversation as well. So, I'm going to read a couple of the texts before the time's up. Because, so oftentimes we keep talking and forgetting that the show is about people that's watching as well. So, I don't want to be sounding as if we just there chat for one of mine. We need to get you involved that's watching as well. All right. So, ICC Tour says, also when artists are signed and go mainstream, some of the authenticity has to be sacrificed. You have to choose between hood celebs or world celebs. Miss Legendary said she is branching out and trying new things like she should as an artist.
Until it connect.
And also, ICDC again, Movada didn't try rap lolly. She was laughing at that. So, other comments, one more comment.
When I'm play the song?
No, hold up. We're going to play it. Find a song.
Mix all Cartel, all English
no,
song.
No. Cartel DJ in an English voice.
Yeah,
he
but
call British love.
No,
Well,
but what we're trying to say
DJ in an accent is different. That's about wordplay and skills. But when you go over somebody's place and I try to do exactly what them I do, and them try bring Shenseea, because look here now, Russian bring Shenseea first in the space, because obviously Russian the link with Cartel and then him branch off in the Latino market, right?
Yeah.
Him start flirt to the hip hop thing till he make a name for himself over there, right? Russian bring Shenseea there, and them come out with the first song with the guy there, Tiger. Remember that song there?
Yeah.
All right. Remember in them the time there what she did do it kind of makes sense, because Coffee did have fear like a song then where you say that was his, what you call it, the sweet spot, the niche at the time. For you try staying early in there. But now the game changed. Shenseea tried the whole little rapping thing, and where Shenseea raps and the singing twanging thing.
But she always been rapping though from ever since.
But Birds, you can't go up and collab with a hip hop artist as dancer artist go rap. Nobody no want hear that one hear Shenseea. What we want hear.
Okay.
That's probably the producer.
All right. Listen, the conversation gonna have to continue that time.
When they gonna sound drinks, I'm thirsty. Me tell that Shenseea
Dragon, find and the outro when you find the Eminem song for me, please. I know you have it, yeah. So
right through like Nigel. Hold on, give me a second.
Good. All right. So if you're still watching us right now, we're gonna be having some guests this evening. Of course, Diane is gonna be here for the conversation. Also, Scatter, they have a whole heap of conversation as well. Breads, fabricating the Upnlive show. They and him, they have a witness history right now.
Some minute history too.
Of course. I want to see Rasta. Can you just come give us? Because people been asking for Rasta. Can Rasta, want to talk this evening, Ras? Yeah, man. Say something for the talkaphone, because people been wondering if
Greetings, everybody. Shout out to everybody that has tuned in for our first show of the year.
Yes.
Whole heap of niceness in the pipeline. Stick and stay.
I know they're going to look at drinks too, because, like, remember me a music lover. I want to hear that song, yeah.
Of course. People out. Up next, we're going to be talking to Diane, all right? Keep it locked.
Yeah, that's people. Remember, I want to tell me if Cartel a rap. I am a DJ.
You know, spin them waist like rims, man, I wave them on. When them see the cartel, them see the Gaza done.
Better watch out now, 'cause here we come. Swear about it, come and get up on the floor now and grab someone.
Eminem, you want the bounce, but me and the dance. The club I got turn up, them put the guns up on the ants. The dogs in the white Toyota strap up with the max. 6 pack under my sweater, but me not talk about no abs. Me no play like little say in the city of guns.
Corey!
In the club, me sharper than a scissors. Y'all not half a manage at once and threesomes and blowjobs in condom for safety like pistols in Ostans. Corey, our building so the club can turn off. Street vibes and champagne and Red Bull and Smirnoff. High grade popcorn roll out and light and burn.
People, you want to know? Me play one more song, because them say Carter sing one English song. Where hold on now, what them say? Him not a DJ either. Me show you something different from talking in an accent and than DJing. Listen to that song, yeah.
Dragon confused. What be Dragon awake, yeah? Dragon!
Man won't get to you, but like baby to mama, I'ma check to you. Bubble like Pepsi, I got the eye like Esso like Texaco. And if you're cooler than an Eskimo, me will warm up your body to the best, you know. Keep it coming, love, here we go again. I got your body warmer than the Caribbean. And if you ever feel like I don't love you, then I got news for you, like CNN. You're not a virgin, you've been with many men. I'm not a saint, I've been with many women. Some say I'm a dog, some say I'm a gentleman. Some say me bleach out them white like Eminem.
So Dragon, tell me something, because me want make you go and juggle song, but tell me now, a DJ, my DJ, sir?
No.
Do you want me to decide for the song? I can sing a word for it, you know.
Yeah, no.
Remember
I understand the word.
Write that song, so I can. All right, here one now.
All right, go on.
Saying say, baby girl,
British,
me love you then. Come in my lungs like oxygen.
Yep. Okay. You see, like how you explain to it, it didn't use that dialect, right?
Hold on, big man. Me say accent. Remember, you know, for define a song like a dancehall song and certain thing, you have flow, and bars and beat. Right? 3 main components.
Yes.
right? Is this a hip hop or a rap flow?
It's a hip hop flow.
Me ask, we sang it flow like it a hip hop. Just any comparison. Just give me a quick comparison.
No. Wait. The answer is not like that.
Breds, you talk to microphone. Can you just go up on the
Me just
microphone,
ask you,
please?
give me a
And stop
quick
shout over the
comparison
thing.
because like when I love go on like say me I eat that, you know, yo,
We
God,
not.
No.
I told you it was gonna be a show about Jagger this evening, but just feed it.
Alright. It's not the John I'm rapping. He didn't do it in original format. That. That's what I'm trying to say. Him change to do something different because other people are gonna listen and say, oh shit, him versatile. And all that's what I'm trying to say to you, bro. It's not about changing the genre.
I'm gonna play one of Shenseea new music and make it here.
Okay, all right. Let's leave this conversation. You know what? Listen, time is against us.
Yeah, but
we
anyway.
just did that for that. Jagger, do what you feel like.
My time again. When you can't lock off the mic, I'm not even find one song to play it, you know, but good God Almighty, you know, I'm staying on my lane, because you see any idea now,
Yeah.
them say a dancehall and good music can never die and dancehall music not go no way. Exactly. Because I remember a few years ago, everybody was talking about trap dancehall and thing, and I say, yo, it's not about trap, it's all about music evolve and music change, because you know, we couldn't expect the youth them of today, I sing like Bob Marley and Dennis and them man, them. No, it have to evolve and change.
Which is
you
right.
get me? All right, listen to that song, my artists, them, you know. Female age group them.
Baby girl, I love your song. Come in on my house, let me touch
one
you.
Again, Cartel.
Leap a man won't get to you, but like baby to mama, I'ma check to you. Bubble like PepsiCo, I got the eye like Esso like Texaco. And if you're cooler than an Eskimo,
watch English style and watch I know what flow.
Keep me coming, love. Here we go again. I got your body warmer than the Caribbean. And if you ever feel like I don't love you, then I got news for you, like CNN. You're not a virgin, you've been with many men. I'm not a saint, I've been with many women. Some say I'm a dog, some say I'm a gentleman. Some say me bleach out and white like Eminem. But what I'm saying there is that I love you, love. And I'll never put no one above you, love. Come, let's have a drink at the pub, yeah. And later on, we can party at the club, yeah. I wanna wake up with you in the morning and watch the sunrise, crack a dawning, breakfast in bed, that's not me. Come in the kitchen.
I mean, never born in all this week. Me still shop for DVDs, I'ma still shop.
But that's showing the transition. You see the transition?
Alright,
you see the transition?
Yeah.
Dancehall. It's not a hip hop song to a dancehall song. Are two dancehall songs.
Makes sense.